So guys, I'm in my car. I'm at the Cambridge Center and I want to go buy something for my daughter, but I don't know if they open on this side or maybe I have to go on the other side. Anyhow, I'm going to check it out and see, because I don't see anybody in this parking lot, so I don't know. I have been told there's a guy waiting there. They said it's 11 o'clock. Oh, I don't know. 11 o'clock they open. What the hell? 11 o'clock on Sunday? Oh my God. Why my hair look like this? So guys, it's 10:30 and they said they open at 11. So I might just drive somewhere else. Maybe I don't know if I want to go to Walmart. I just want to go here and go supermarket. I could go to the Dollar Tree. Maybe I drive out at the Dollar Tree and come back. There's I need dishwashing liquid, and then I need 2 containers to put my nuts in. Yes, my nuts. Yes, I need 2 containers to put my nuts in. Yes, my healthy nuts. So I might just go at the Dollar Tree and pick up a few things and then I come back. Alright guys, Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna pop on in to see what I find. Alright, see you soon. This is what I'm wearing, guys. Can you see that? Yeah. Alright guys, craft storage container, but also you can, if you're making like jams and stuff like that, it's so nice, so cute. I'm gonna buy about 2. I'm picking up a few of these toothpaste for my daughter. It has a little bit of fluoride in it, and well, that's the cheapest I can get, so I'm buying 2 of those. You know I love my DIYs. These are so pretty, so pretty. But I'm not gonna buy those today, guys. But I see these beautiful candle holders here, and I'm gonna grab up all of them. And guys, they have these. You can't go wrong on these. I'm gonna pick up about 4 of these, because you can't go wrong on these, right? You can't go wrong on those, guys. Yeah, 4 of them will do for now. We're gonna pick up some dishwashing liquid. I used this one the other day and it was good. So I'm just gonna pick up 2 of these. I have this one already, so I'm gonna try this one and this one. I'm gonna pick up both and see how they smell. I love to clean with this, so I'm gonna pick up 1, pick up 2 of these. This is the one I want. 2 will do for now. I'm gonna pick up 2. Don't like that one. Find a nicer one. Yeah, that will do. I found these cute containers, guys, and you have these. I kind of like these. Maybe I'm gonna buy 1 of each. Guys, I pick up this cute container, and guys, I'm gonna get me some vanilla extract. Yes, this is the cheapest you can get, guys, so I'm gonna grab 2 of those. I came over this section and I saw these storage bin. These are the big ones and I love the color. They're like $1.25. Yes, so I'm gonna buy 4. They're the big large one. Can you see that, guys? They're really big. I buck up on these. Alright guys, look at them. They're so thick and nice. Look, 5 washcloths for only $1.25, guys. How can you beat this? Can't be beaten. Impossible. Nice washcloths. Wow. How much did I buy? I'm gonna buy some so I can put them in the barrel. I bought a lot of them, guys. I'm gonna stock up on them because we run through washcloths so easily. Hello.
Hey.
All right, guys, I'm gonna cash and I'm gonna get out of here. Okay, guys, I didn't put my mask on going into the Dollar Tree. I totally forget it. Darn it. But anyhow, I'm gonna put it on. I'm just gonna look in Valley Village. I'm gonna look to see if I get some curtains, and I'll see you soon. Oh, here it is, guys. You see it? Valley Village. A quick look around. Basically, that's the big store. And after, if I find something nice, oh, that's okay. It's okay. If I find something really nice, guys, I'll show you. All right, I'll see you later. I found a cute little bling because I love bling stuff, but I am not M. I am mom, so this would work for me. It's so cute, right, guys? Yeah. Oh, that is so nice. That lamp. That is nice. So this is nice. Look at this, guys. It's $4.99, but it's heavy. Yay! I'm not buying anything. Oh, I see a nice sharks. How come I see these sharks? Look here, guys. But it can't fit. It's small. These are a little bit bigger, but they're so cute. I have a pair at home, guys. They're so cute. I have these at home too, and they're one of my favorite shoes ever. Look at that, guys. They're super cute, and these are good. The price are $5. Guys, this is the last one. Woo. But they're so tall. Oh my goodness, but I love them. They are Aldos. Bye, guys. See you later. This is really pretty. So guys, I didn't buy too much. I just do a little try on haul in there, and I got myself this cute what do you call it, napkin holder. And guys, I'm just gonna try to find, I'm gonna go to the mall, I'm gonna try to find few shorts for my daughter. at the Urban Kids, and then I'm gonna go home and go supermarket. See you later. Woo! The sun hot, you see. How your girl ready for the road? All right. I see you soon. All right, guys, this is me, and I'm gonna go into the mall. Yes, it's such a warm day, beautiful day. Which side? Oh, all right, guys, let's go shop. Anyhow, guys, the sun is so hot now, so I pick up some bread at the dollar store, Dollarama, and I pick up 2 chips for my daughter and a disinfectant, as I show you, and some kitchenware, and that's it. Nothing more, nothing more. Comes up to like $22 something. And I couldn't talk at that time when I was in the Springs. I got 2 pairs of sunglasses. I'll show you them. I went into Ardeen and I got a pair of slippers. Those, I think I might bling them out because they're black and they're really pretty, but I think I'm gonna bling them out. And that's it. That's what I got on the mall. So guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here now. What I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna go into the supermarket. I'm gonna pick up some grocery and I'm gonna head home. All right, guys, thank you for coming on the road with me and into the mall and Value Village and all of that. Mwah. Guys, see you later.